Hi guys, I'm Johnny. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make delicious lemon bars. These lemon bars are sweet and tart, so delicious. I really love this recipe because it reminds me of summer. And summer is my favorite season of the year, so I'm so excited for summer. So yeah, I know you will love them. So let's get started. So guys, there's two components for this recipe, which is a shortbread crust and the lemon filling, which is like a lemon curd. So first we're gonna start by making the shortbread. So in this bowl, I have some softened butter, and to that butter, I'm going to go ahead and add some white granulated sugar along with some vanilla extract. And using a hand electric mixer, I'm gonna mix that all together until it's nice and fluffy for about 2 minutes. You can make this using a hand, like a stand mixer, but I don't even know why I own one because I don't even use it that much because it's like a hassle to wash it and you know, I'm so lazy sometimes. So once your butter, sugar, vanilla mixture is nice and soft, we're gonna go ahead and add the flour and salt. Mix it with your hand electric mixer. You will notice that it's like very crumbly. Don't worry. You might think that it's not gonna come together because it happened to me and I threw it away thinking that was not gonna come together, but it will. So just mix it until it's nice and crumbly, and you can use your hands to feel the dough, and you can feel it that it will form a dough. So we're gonna put it in a 9-inch square pan that I line with aluminum foil so nothing sticks. So just put your mixture there, and using your hands, you're gonna flatten everything out. We're gonna bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. And in the meantime, we're gonna start making the filling. So the filling is pretty much easy. I'm just gonna use a bowl, a whisk to mix everything together. So in this bowl, I have some eggs, and I'm going to add some white granulated sugar, lemon zest, and freshly squeezed lemon juice. Make sure you zest your lemons first before you squeeze them because it's so much easier. And I recommend that you use one of these to squeeze the juices from the lemon. It's so much easier. One of these things. So easy. So once you added that in there, we're gonna take a whisk and we're gonna mix everything together until it's well combined. After that, I'm going to go ahead and add my dry ingredients, which is the flour and a little bit of baking powder. And I like to add it little by little so it doesn't form any lumps. So just mix it all together, and you can add a little bit of yellow food coloring for aesthetics, but I'm gonna leave it like this. And you're gonna pour this on top of the shortbread, which I bake for 15 minutes. Once you added your custard on top, we're gonna pop this into the oven at a 350 Fahrenheit, like for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, this is how it looks. I'm gonna let it cool in the counter, and then I'm gonna place it into the fridge for about 1 hour to 1 hour and a half. It really depends. I even do up to 3 hours. And after that, cut them into square and dust powdered sugar on top. And there you have it. I really hope that you try this recipe. It will be written in the description box. If you try it, tag me on Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, anywhere. I really hope you like it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.